This is ZTE Axon 30, and today we will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings. Next, enter the dedicated Wi-Fi category. In here, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Once at the network details page, at the very top rightish part of it to be exact, you'll find this little share icon, so tap on it, and at the following page you'll be presented with the QR code that you can use and scan with any other device that you would like to connect to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.